Hi friends, we are going to see how to convert data types in Python. So for that we have three functions here. It is int of, string of and float of. So now for example, I'm just going to take a variable which is referencing a value 90. Okay, now I'm just going to convert it as I wish into another data type. So here it is, now it is an integer. Now I'm just going to change it using this functions. So now I'm taking another variable d is equal to float of c. I'm going to print that d. Okay, so yes, we receive 90.0. The integer is converted to float. And as well, if you want, again you can just use the d is equal to, once again you can just take string of c again. So we are just passing that c into the string function. So now it has been changed to string. You can see that 90. So this is how you have to convert the data types according to your wish. And this is quite useful when you are going to get values from users. So we have to convert it according to our needs. So for that we can use that, and we will see very deeply about that in upcoming lectures. And yes. So yes, join me friends in this journey of learning, and bye bye. Take care.